So what's the cofactor formula? What's the cofactor formula then? Let me come back to this board and say, what's the cofactor formula? Determinant of A is, let's go along the first row. It's A11 times its cofactor. And then the second guy is A12 times its cofactor. And you just keep going to the end of the row. A1n times its cofactor. So that's cofactor formula along row 1. And if I went along row I, those ones would be i's. That's worth putting a box around. That's the cofactor formula. Do you see that? Actually, this would give me another way. I could have started the whole topic of determinants, and some people might choose to do it this way, because the cofactor formula would allow me to build up an n by n determinant out of n minus 1 size determinants, build those out of n minus 2, and so on. I could boil all the way down to 1 by 1s. So what's the cofactor formula for 2 by 2 matrices? Yeah, tell me that. What's the cofactor for? So here's the world's smallest example, practically, of a cofactor formula. Okay, let's go along row 1. I take this first guy times its cofactor. What's the cofactor of the 1, 1 entry? D, because you strike out the 1, 1 row and column, and you're left with D. Then I take this guy, B, times its cofactor. What's the cofactor of B? Is it C or it's minus C? Because I strike out this guy, I take that determinant, and then I follow the I plus J rule, and I get a minus, I get an odd, so it's B times minus C. Okay, of course it works.